My great-grandmother was a baker, my grandmother was a baker, and my mother is a baker. And I think that there's no great baker that doesn't have a truly deep love for butter. That crumb, dense, moist experience. When opening Sugar and Scribe, I, of course, wanted to make sure that we were able to source the best butter in the world, which comes from Europe. As somebody who spends their entire life baking, I can honestly say that French butter is truly my favorite butter to work with. I think that the balance and the depth of flavor is something that's so unique and so special that every time I bite into something, I'm immediately back with my family. The Nutty Butter Coffee Cake comes from mixing butter and peanut butter, egg, and flour with simple spices to create a very simple but extremely flavorful cake. It's perfect with tea or an after-dinner dessert. It's something that reminds me of my childhood. The butter, obviously, is the star. It makes the crumb so moist and so dense, you don't need anything else with it. This dish is Nutty Butter Cake from my grandma Kate. Butter is not only the perfect ingredient to put in things, but it's also the perfect ingredient to put on things. Butter can transform a dish that seems so simple into the most complex, beautiful culinary experience. This compound butter is a butter that I grew up on making. It's figs, orange zest, butter, and a hint of nutmeg. Spread it on a freshly baked buttered croissant. You're already there. You're already in the land of magic and goodness. It has everything that you would ever need. That salted European butter brings such balance, and putting it on a buttered croissant, because European butter is so great, it's not overpowering. It's just silk running through. This dish is fig and orange compound butter. Definitely one of my mother's favorites.